Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the EZCast DUO display adapter. Now this little box here allows you to display or mirror your mobile devices to a computer, laptop or a TV screen. So it is useful when you want to cast or to mirror something on your phone, such as when you are playing a movie or if you are playing a game, you can then cast to the screen so you can have a larger display. So let's see what's inside this box here. So I'm just going to open it up. So I'm going to pull out the box and then I'm just going to take a look. There's a thing at the back here. So it's open up this way, sorry. So it's open sideways. The box is quite small. It looks big, but actually it's quite small. So here it is. So you got audio in on this device right here. You got audio in, you got USB, and then you got the DC PC. There's also a button here, and there's also a light at the back here. You got HD TV, VGA, so you can plug in and audio out. So this is the output, and at the front is the input. And let's take a look at what else is in this box. So also you got the audio cable, and then you also got this USB cable. So that's it. So that is everything inside this box here. If you're planning to get this box, you can see what is supported. Make sure it is compatible with your mobile device before you buy it. Make sure all the ports support it. So if you have a newer mobile phone, such as using USB-C port, make sure it is compatible. And this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.